It's 89 to win for Team Baikala BMX. Taking a great strategy. What a first inning Taloja played. Really amazing. A very difficult target for Team Baikala, but it is not impossible. Everything is possible without trying a hard luck.
What's the
We have
score?
89 to win.
89. 88 is the score.
Huh?
88 is the score. So 88 to win, no? Score is 88, 89 to win.
Baikala BMX,
88.
we have just 1 minute to go. Taloja is all set to field. We have
The
Tawfiq who's
highest
going to be the
target for
wicket
today.
keeper.
चेक चेक इसी के साथ तलोजा टीम अपना क्षेत्र रक्षण
We're
सजाते
going to
हुए
toss the next team. The next team be ready. We have Team Bandra captain and Avinashi's team captain.
Jairam bhai.
DJ counter के यहाँ पे आ जाए. We're going to toss the next match. Team Bandra.
Come in.
Team Bandra के captain और Team Avinashi के captain. Scoreboard के यहाँ आ जाए. Toss for the next match. We have the toss for the next match in house. Sir, a beautiful, handsome Sir Merchant will be doing the score and now the tossing. Reminding both the captains of the team, Team Bandra and Team Avinashi to come on the scoreboard. We're going to do the toss for the next match. We got a handsome Sunny out there with a beautiful
settled.
sun.
Teklu Ravinashi shaking hands.
They are doing the match setting out there.
Already set it.
They already said. We have the captain of Avinashi. Can we have the captain of Bandra team?
Manoj.
Manoj Bhai, captain of Team Bandra, red and white jersey.
Captain or super captain, please.
He's busy eating, I think so. Karim Bhai, do you want to do the toss? Acha, he wants his captain to come. Can we have Manoj Bhai joining us, the captain of Team Bandra, red and white jersey? So Manoj, where are you?
Mr. Manoj is requested, please.
There, he's coming running, I think so. He's Manoj?
No, we have to run again.
No, oh yeah, the behind. Without the cap guy is Manoj. The guy with the rough look. You both are coming for toss. You all have not won the match.
यहाँ पर
They know the rules. Lucky coin.
right the captains Ayya
No need repeating this thing. They know about this thing. Just 8 overs match.
Avinashi, head or tail. We have
They are
Avinashi
visitors.
doing the call.
They are visitors.
That's the toss by Sir Merchant
काय पाहिजे तुम्हाला?
with a beautiful smile on his face.
and here goes the toss up in the air
And I think so that's a head.
Heads.
Still, had that come, Manoj Bhai has won. Sorry.
We would like to field first.
All right,
Again
that's
fielding.
team
What
strategy.
strategy?
We just like to see that how their bowling is. Sorry, how their batting is, and we would like to chase the target.
जरा मेरे को देख के टारगेट रख रहा है क्या?
नहीं नहीं जयराम भाई तो खुद ही एक टारगेट है.
well
आपका
said,
कौन
well
मेन
said.
बैट्समैन है?
Well said, Manoj Bhai.
कुमार. कौन से डिपार्टमेंट से?
आरएमजी से.
आरएमजी से. टाइम पे शिपमेंट है ना? Okay, okay. All the best.
Empire, just wait for a minute. Tawfiq, just hold. We're working. I said 1 minute, please.
Sorry.
Sorry, Tawfiq.
both the team captains all the best
All right, Tawfiq, really sorry. You can bowl the first bowling for Team Baikala. All right, there goes the first ball by Tawfiq for Team Baikala BMX.
और ये पहला गेंद प्लेस कर बॉलर की गति विधि दोनों को जानने की कोशिश
And there you go. We got the next ball. Tawfiq is all set. We got Baikala BMX with a beautiful strategy among them.
फील्डिंग में चेंजेस.
We have Manoj Bhai with all confidence with his team Bandra.
अगला गेंद बैट्समैन की ओर और ऑफ साइड में खेलने का प्रयास. फील्डर तैनात. एक रन अपने खाते में और जोड़ते हुए.
We got Aman and Rashid doing the batting from BMX Bandra. Rashid and Aman, let's see what team they're going to do. Baikala's team. Amazingly playing Rashid and Aman.
अगला गेंद खेलने का प्रयास लेकिन अंपायर का वाइड का इशारा.
We're going to have Aman taking the next ball by Taufik. BMX Baikala versus Taloja.
अगला गेंद फिर से खेलने का प्रयास
And
लेकिन
that's a
फिर से
beautiful
अंपायर
white
का
in
वाइड
house.
का इशारा.
Says a beautiful white.
एक और रन अपने खाते में बोनस. अगला गेंद लेग साइड की ओर. फील्डर तैनात. अंपायर की तरफ से गुजरते हुए फील्डर के हाथ में. एक और रन अपने खाते में जोड़ते हुए.
Taufik looks really confident for his team. We got an Empire, this thing from Empire. Taufik, the next ball.
फिर से लेग साइड पे खेलने का प्रयास. पीछे की तरफ प्लेयर तैनात लेकिन बॉल के पीछे भागते हुए बाउंड्री लाइन की ओर. और ये पहला बाउंड्री बाइकला.
That's the first boundary for BMX Baikala by Rashid. Jersey number 3.
इसी के साथ स्कोर 11 बिना विकेट के नुकसान पर.
Good. The first boundary for team BMX Baikala.
अगला गेंद खेलने का प्रयास लेकिन
Rashid playing really amazing with the
One more run.
partnership of in-house.
एक और रन
Aman,
अपने खाते में जोड़ते हुए.
what a beautiful over. We have the end of the first over.
12 runs. No
Kya baat hai?
wickets.
Double of the run. Double of the ball. With the loss of 0 wickets, the total run is 12 runs.
बिना
With,
विकेट के नुकसान
with the
पर.
end of the first over, that is BMX, 2 players playing really amazing. Rashid, jersey number 3. Aman, jersey number 14. BMX Baikala.
अगले ओवर की ओर बढ़ते हुए.
We have the next bowler by Taloja Pinto, jersey number 8, who's going to do the bowling for team Baikala. We have Pinto doing the bowling against Baikala. What a beautiful place. But Rashid just missed it. We have Pinto with a great confidence for his team Taloja. A good spinner. What a
और
place.
ये अगला गेंद. एक और रन अपने खाते में जोड़ते हुए. बॉलर का थ्रो सीधा स्टंप पर लेकिन नो बॉल का इशारा. अंपायर का नो बॉल का इशारा. एक और रन. इसी के साथ 2 रन अपने खाते में जोड़ते हुए. एंड वेरी गुड रन. चिकी रन बिटवीन द विकेट्स.
And that's
Very
a
good coordination
beautiful,
between the batsman
beautiful,
and the
beautiful bowler by
runner.
Pinto. Pinto is trained under Bradley.
अगला गेंद लेग साइड में खेलने का प्रयास. अंपायर की तरफ से गुजरते हुए फील्डर तैनात. एक रन अपने खाते में और जोड़ते हुए.
We got Ikrar out there, standing right beside the batsman. Ikrar playing really amazing. Ikrar to bowler. Pinto. Pinto the bowling in-house against Baikala. Really amazing Baikala BMX. That's a lovely place. And that's over the head, but we have a man standing behind the boundary line. Number 4 by Taloja, Deepak.
मिस फील्डिंग लेकिन
Jersey number
प्लेयर
4,
तैनात.
Taloja Deepak. Playing really amazing, saving the boundary out there. We got Pinto, who's trained under Bradley, doing the bowling.
इसी के साथ 17 रन. एक और रन अपने खाते में जोड़ने का प्रयास. कीपर अपने पोजीशन से आगे बढ़ते हुए. एक और रन. लेग बाइस का एक रन.
The target is 88 to draw, 89 to win for Team Taloja.
अगला
Baikala
गेंद.
has to do this.
खेलने का प्रयास लेग साइड पर लेकिन बॉल सीधा कीपर के हाथ में.
We got the wicket keeper Taufik in house, playing really amazing, not allowing any ball to go. And that's the end of the over, but still yet to go. Pinto is still to go.
एक और ओवर की समाप्ति,
That's the end of 2
18
overs.
रन, 2 ओवर की समाप्ति बिना विकेट के नुकसान पर।
Yes, my brother. That's total run is 18 run with the loss of none wickets, 2 overs down. 18 runs to go. The target is 88, to win is 89. Remaining team Baikala, your score is right now 18 runs with a none wicket with 2 overs down. And that's jersey number 9 from team Taloja, Ikrar doing the third over. Ikrar, jersey number 9, Taloja. We got the 2 handsome batsmen, jersey number 3,
फील्डिंग
Rashid,
में चेंजेस,
jersey number 14, Aman, who's playing really amazing, a good partnership.
और अगला गेंद बैट्समैन की ओर, और ये लेग साइड पर बॉल
We
उछालते
have the
हुए,
batsman falling, but leaving his bat is running.
और ये
It's the-
बॉल लुढ़कते हुए
it's
बाउंड्री
going the
लाइन की
leg touch.
तरफ, और ये
Oh,
फील्डिंग,
we
वेरी
got the
गुड
batsman,
फील्डिंग,
amazing. We got
और
the
ये तीसरे
batsman
रन
now
की
is going
ओर
for the
भागते
third
हुए,
run. कहते हैं बाउंड्री नहीं जाएगा तो क्या हुआ, कितना रन ले सकते हो उतना रन ले लीजिए. And that was Rashid, who's taken 3 runs, really playing amazing with jersey number 14, Aman from Baikala BMX. And that's Aman who's going to take the strike of jersey number 9, Taloja. That's Ikrar. The bowler, jersey number 9, Ikrar Taloja. That's a great
ऑफ
place
साइड
by
पर खेलते
Aman.
हुए,
A
एक
great
और रन,
place by Aman. A good team
स्मॉल मिस
strategy.
फील्डिंग बट
A really amazing partnership for Team Baikala. Gonna make the captain Farooq proud with the total score right now 22 runs with a none wicket over the third over going on. They just want to make the captain Farooq happy.
अगला गेंद लेग साइड की ओर, और ये एक रन अपने खाते में जोड़ते हुए,
Team Baikala needs to get a little faster now because you're dropping on the run rate. Reminding Team Baikala, you gotta pick up the score now because you're dropping on the run rate. Your score is 23 runs, third over going on.
खेलने का प्रयास लेग
One
साइड
more
पर,
side
लेकिन
on the
बॉल
left side,
एज
go
कट
to the
होते
left, the
हुए
boundary line.
पीछे की तरफ, और ये
And that's a
अंपायर
side
का
by the boundary. That's a lovely boundary by Aman. It looks like Aman is making his team captain Farooq a little happy by scoring a little score. The score is right now 34 runs with a wicket lost of none with the third over going on.
और ये अंपायर का वाइड का इशारा,
All right, do not worry. I'll tell the first wicket, first 6. And that's Pinto doing the over bowling. A great
और ये
place
अगला
by
गेंद
Aman.
एक रन की और ये विकेट
Pinto throw
खोने
to
का,
Tawfiq. And that's an appeal, but it's not a wicket. Tawfiq is trying his best to take a wicket down of Baikala BMX. The total score is right now 36 runs with the loss of none wickets with third over going on Pinto. With to have the third over, Pinto is down with the third over. Taloja is going to take out the fourth over now. The captain is deciding who to give the fourth over. And I think so he himself is taking the fourth over. Aman looks a little tired, but not dropping the confidence. Without dropping his confidence, he have jersey number 3, Rashid, opposite him playing as a runner-up. We got Rashid playing as the runner man for him, playing really amazing both the team Baikala BMX versus team Taloja. Anupam Gajar, huh? Ah. All right, the captain deciding changing the field. All right, the first ball of the fourth over. That's a great throw, and that's a huge, beautiful sign by the captain Empire out there, white. A sign of white. The total score is 37 runs to go.
एक और रन अपने खाते में जोड़ते हुए,
That's our brother Dubes with a white in house, 37 runs with my brother Anupam and Sean.
और ये लेग साइड की ओर
And
और ये
just missed
कैच
it.
लेकिन
Aman, it
मिस
is the luck of your day
और
in
ये
house.
चौका.
A beautiful four. What a beautiful play, Aman. What a beautiful play. I think so. You are the man of the match for right now. But we still have Ikrar playing against you.
और
What
ये
a
फिर से
beautiful
एक और
place
बॉल
once
and up in
again.
the air straight away and it goes 4 or 6. Let's check and it's a sixer.
I know you want it.
All right, reminding everybody this is the third six of the day. The third six of the day. What an amazing game going on. Aman is the man of the match. I hopefully think so. We have a
Very
call
good
by the
six.
umpire. That's
Fully
a
confident.
boundary.
Boundary and there is a
Body
change
touch.
in a decision and it's a 4. It's okay, it's okay. It's a boundary. Scorer, please check it.